So y'all know he always do that. Me and my wife go back like I got one phone. What you got? Me and my husband go back like high school photos. That's high school, my freshman year. And I remember we took this picture. My best friend took the picture, and I always kept a camera like I do now. The camera rolling as usual. And she took. I grabbed Gil. He was going down the hallway. And I said, Gil, I said, Gil, take this picture. And he sat like he said, going down the hallway. Come here. I was more aggressive. And I pulled him. Looked at my best friend. She took me. I said, take the picture. I'm running the cosmetology class. He running the his. So years later, his father sent that picture back. He told Gil that I have a picture of you with this girl. And he said, I'm going to mail you the picture back. Your mom sent me the picture. He mailed the picture back, and it was that picture of a copy of